Hi, Kevin Eddington, your paint guy from GSG. Wanted to go over a new little tool, little app from Matthews Paint. Everybody has a cell phone now, so you can download from the Matthews website or you can download from your app store, the Matthews Paint Tool app. What is very neat about it, and just one little quick feature that I wanted to tell you about, is you can click and go to the cross-reference section. And under the cross-reference tab, you can cross over to a Matthews Paint number, Pantone colors, CMYK numbers, and RGB numbers. If you have those, you can cross those over to a Matthews Paint number. Great little feature right at your fingertips. For all of your paint needs, please go to gogsg.com or contact your local branch.